Hello, today I teach you exercise C of lesson 2, The Wise Caliph of English of class 10 of Sindh textbook board Jamshoro. Let's see what does the question say. Complete the following sentences by using suitable phrases from the list given below in their proper form. Some phrases have been given. We have to use these phrases in the blank spaces given in these sentences. There are 8 sentences. What are the phrases? These are the phrases. Be off, pull up, fight over, fight for, feel sorry for, well to do, well of, feel ashamed of. These are the phrases. First, let me tell you what is the phrase. As already I have explained this in grammar also. But again, phrase is a group of words which makes sense but not complete. It makes its sense complete when it is used in a sentence. It does not contain any finite verb. This is the definition of the phrase. Again, we will learn it in grammar also. But here we have to use these phrases in these sentences. So let's see the sentences. In their proper form means where necessary we have to change the form of the phrase also. He saw 2 dogs fighting over, fighting over, fighting over a bone. Next, from his dress, he appears to be a dash citizen, well to do. He appears to be a well to do citizen. Number 3, noticing a fallen tree blocking the road, he immediately dashed his horse. He immediately pulled up. He immediately pulled up his horse. Number 4, his father was a great leader. He dashed the freedom of the country. He fought for. He fought for the freedom of his country. Number 5, he was very poor last year, but now he seems to be quite well off. Well off. Number 6, the master ordered his servant to dash and out of sight. To be off. To be off. And out of the sight. Number 7, you misbehaved with your teacher and you should dash yourself. You should feel ashamed of. You should feel ashamed of yourself. Number 8, the rich man saw the lame beggar and dashed him and pulled up him. And pulled up him. Now, exercise D. Exercise D. Let's see what does this question says. Make nouns from the verbs given below and use both nouns and verbs in sentences of your own. There are some words given. We have to make nouns from these verbs. The words are verbs. What are the verbs? Bake. These are words, verbs. Beg, live, lend, believe, please, give, speak. Give, speak. Now, beg, beggar, begging, beg, live, life, lend, loan, believe, belief, please, player, give, gift, speak, speech. Now we have to use both verb and noun in our own sentence. As beg. As in the sentence, the beggar said, I beg to believe me. The rich man said, I beg to believe me. Whatever say in your presence shall be the truth. I beg to believe me. The rich man said, O leader of the faithful, I beg to believe me. As we can make our own sentence also. I beg you to believe me. I beg you to believe me. I beg to believe that I am not a thief. This is my own sentence. Belief. Muslims have staunch belief in Almighty Allah. Belief as a noun. Muslims have and Almighty Allah. In this way you can live. We eat to live. We live. I live a happy life. It is a verb. Life. We spend a good life. Lend. Please lend me your book. Loan. Now I borrowed some loan from the bank. Believe. We believe in one God. Muslims have staunch belief in Almighty Allah. Please, we should please Almighty Allah by doing good deeds. Pleasure. It is pleasure for me that I have won a prize. Give. I give you a gift. I give you this book. I give you this marker. Gift. I send a gift to my friend on his birthday. Speak. We should speak the truth. Speech. He delivered his speech in a function. These are the words which we have used both as a verb and as a noun. Now, exercise E. Exercise E. Complete the following sentences by using the correct form of the verb or verbs placed in brackets at end of each sentence. This is exercise E. Let me write first sentence. The horseman dash a beggar. The horseman dash a beggar dash along the road. Dash along the road. Notice limp. These are two verbs given in bracket. The horseman noticed. The horseman noticed a beggar limping along the road. Limping along the road. In this way, there are some other 9 sentences. Let me read them. When he dash round and dash back, the rider and the horse dash. The verbs in the bracket are turn, took, disappear. When he turned around, dash round and dash back. And looked back, the rider and the horse had disappeared. When he turned around and looked back, the rider and the horse had disappeared. Number 3, the beggar dashed to the horse, killing. The beggar clang, second form, C-L-A-N-G. The beggar clanged to the horse. Number 4. The caliph dash him, dash forward and dash his story. The verbs are order, step and tell. The caliph ordered him to step forward and tell his story. Number 5. Both the men dash on the holy book. Swear. The verb is swear. The second form will be swore. SWORE. Both the men swore on the holy book. Number 6. Before the caliph dash the court, the Qazi dash 2 men and a horse. There are 2 verbs. Enter, bring. Before the caliph entered the court, the Qazi had brought 2 men and a horse. Number 7. The Qazi dash also present in the court, to be verb. The Qazi was also present in the court. Number 8. The 2 men dash over the horse. Verb is fight. The 2 men fought over the horse. Second form, past tense. The Qazi dash not dash the case. Can and decide. These are 2 verbs. The Qazi could not decide the case. Number 10. He dashed the horse with a whip. Strike. The second form of strike will be stroke. He stroked the horse with a whip. These were the exercises of lesson 2, the wise caliph. Thank you very much.